right, I'm on top of the shed out here, the C-Max. I'm trimming up everything away from the building. I'm gonna go back underneath and trim it even further back. There's nothing even close to the building. I'm trimming it all the way back. So we got plenty of land. Finishing up down there. All right, tree life. Almost done. A little bit of cleanup left. We are all done. Just waiting for Timmy and the loader truck to come. We trimmed all the entire fence line, all the way down. Trimmed all the way around the corner, by the fence, around the warehouse, and around the office and parking area. We are done. All we got to do is wait for Timmy, pick up the debris, rake, blow, and we are going home. So, had a lot done today. Had the right equipment, the right manpower. You can get her done. So, if you guys need a free estimate, please call 584-TREE. Commercial, industrial, residential, licensed, insured, workers' comp, 20 years experience. Give us a holler. If we can't do it, you know someone who can, or help us get it done. So you don't have to pay us until the job's done complete, and you're happy. So give us a call, and we'll give you a free, no obligation estimate. Tree life.